Barry.
Oh, yo, Asikhulume podcast.
Yebo.
Ngosana Namanola.
Yeah,
Osana.
Scats
Yeah,
are
yeah,
corner.
yeah, yeah.
You know the partner in crime face.
That's
Sekunjalo.
it. How's it, my brother?
Yeah, I'm sharp
Yeah,
dog.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Sharp dog.
Hey, today
Anyway,
it's
njani
another
lapha
day.
emakhaya?
Poly food.
Mhm.
Yeah, today we don't have any sponsor. That day we were sponsored in cold drink.
Mhm.
Yeah, with the tulithanyana nje.
Yabani?
Yeah.
It's sehlise anyway.
Yeah, today's sponsoration ngemali sethu.
Mm.
Sehlisa ngemali. Today's topic is gonna be all about MT and Big Zulu.
Yeah, the new track,
Yeah,
21 question,
yeah.
21 question. Not
Yeah.
Ega 50 Cent.
Yeah.
No, not Ega
Yeah.
50 Cent.
Yalamzansi.
Yalamzansi. So,
Umuntu omdala, inkabi enkulu.
yeah,
Mr. Big Zulu.
Big Zulu.
No MT.
As we all know, ukuthi bekune beef, yabona
Yeah.
beef. We remember beef isuka kuwe ngoma Big Zulu athi MT une title ye Mercedes but garage empty, yeah.
Yeah, garage empty.
So finally man,
Yeah.
finally,
Yeah.
ngibona nangabe sima South African musicians gcine si collaborate yabona.
Yeah, it's so nice.
That's it.
Yeah,
That's a
it is
dope.
so nice.
Dope.
Before we talk about this song, my brother, MT na ivika dropper these days, bamdropile to lona bathi to MT podcast, El Tito podcast.
El Tito podcast, yeah.
So move on lapha nathina, so uyekile the
Bam.
tracks and
Yeah, and
everything.
stuff and that.
They say something like that, but that day they say bafuna bathi balenze ma test
Yeah, wala. So I guess
asali ukuthi bekachaza kuthini but kusho yena lokubalulekile lekakhulumile lokhu uyasifeel nokugwada
yeah, but
ngoba
I think mina on my opinion and my
point of view.
Yeah, my point of view, it's feel like lo maseleb the one we look up to. They sometimes they promote those things like kuma Insta Live and nabase studio. I don't know, and then turns ukuthi nalama up and coming artists abafila ngathi they need weight ukuze babe se studio yabona. Yeah, because everyone nje lo se studio ufuna promoter izolo. I'm not saying there's something bad about izolo and rebemao, but what about this? Bakhula babukela abantu abathi okay, shows kahle without this thing I won't make it. I won't even record a hit without and then it turns to fall under drug now.
Yeah, it is a drug. Everything, even in alcohol, is a drug on its own.
Yeah, so everything because uba addictive.
Yeah, addictive.
Yeah.
Ngabe sibuta wena because nawe studio uyashaya ama hits ngabe sibuta wena ukuthi wena what boosts you yini booster ukuthi
Now I used to actually now I'm thinking ngihlanza 2 months ngeke baby zolo. 2 months. So by the time ngibona nami le podcast ka MT I was inspired with wow.
Yeah.
Okay, finally. Oh.
Yeah.
Because nami bengilapho nje ukuthi izolo bekuyindele bengasakhona ukwenda everything ngayo. Yabona awuna appetite, nawabhemanga awukhona kulala, awukhona even ukusebenza, so that was it. So at the end hayi ngomdala nami ukuthi to the process. Unfortunately angazi ngayibhema inkazi. Yeah, thanks to that. Oh, inkazi abo medium. Yeah. Besikhona isikhathi lezi ukuthi ngishiye imedia yami ekamereni ngibheme ngaphandle ngifila ngazi this thing ngayi energy yabo.
Hayi ngcono mara yonke into it's all about mindset.
It's all about mindset and it's all about telling yourself it's no.
Yeah.
I was born human, not ngekho lo to my genes, my sound and none.
Yeah. No, thanks a lot once again to that episode that we did.
Mangomani. Yes, Mangomani. So
people bayibukela even if the way we thought ukuthi yoba ngale ndlela ukuthi siphute kwi drop
and we apologize ngaloko and there's one thing lesifuna ukuyicela man and then ngathi iba misunderstanding my YouTubers to subscribe. What is to subscribe? Because there's umuntu alo uyangabukela just say
I know
I've
something.
done a lot and then
Contributed.
contributed
Yeah.
man because my subscribe solo emenza wona but my views siyabonga guys siyabonga my views akhula day by day and then siya-check-a and then let's hope njengoba ngeke kudelete one day we're gonna reach 1 million views.
Yeah, we will.
But
Why not? Why not? Yeah, but one thing I like about this podcast,
yeah,
the name says it all. Asikhulume. Let's talk.
let's talk. Asikhulume. It's all about let's talk.
And ihamba ngama-baby step, yabo. Life needs to go with baby steps. It's growing slowly but surely. You're not in a rush of anything.
Yeah. So whenever episode share lama clips ku Facebook man. Open YouTube account because we need nama comments kulama podcast. We need comments, we need nama subscribers kakhulu nje yabo. So people must
even anyone ofuna same host you can come, you're free.
Free at last, free at last.
Market your business, maybe you got a story to tell, because every day you got story to tell.
This is a platform. There's no I there. There's no I. Now I've got my own YouTube account, Manola Tunes, but if we sit together, so
we're building something.
We're building
you need to
something.
Be a team to build something.
Exactly. If no we end up with one, then you in the
one thing I like about you would say, we got the same energy, we got the same vibe. Like when I look at you, I look at me like this.
Exactly.
Like it like we got the same mindset, we got the same energy.
Exactly. Like, that's what I thought. Just tell us engage and say because sometimes that's why there's this issue, but see, we can play one role, but you don't have one goal. But to me and you, we play one role and we have one goal. So anyway, we will pray to God with us.
Thanks a lot. We need to build this podcast to grow forward. Today it's all about 21 questions.
21 questions.
Not in America.
So
no, Big Zulu drop a song, a jam. It's no longer. It was a drop a verse.
It's no longer out. It's no longer out. Just
they
will be chorus. They will slowly trend a bit long, and then people got a lot more to say. So as us, ikhulume. So now we have the right to comment and say your thoughts about whatever. I see you right. No, it's our opinion, it's our thoughts. So people like the verse, like the chorus. It's alright to say, like the chorus. Actually, it's dope, man. It's dope.
It's just because before we shoot, we're talking about before Big Zulu, nyalo abuyela kakhulu ngale ku hip hop akasafana kasi ashaya lo maskandi nyana ngathi samaskandi nyana
sound based to
bantu bamthanza ngale mangana hip hop.
When it comes to production and Kabi Records, the sound, the maskandi hip hop, not that hip hop. Actually, me Big Zulu when it comes to storytelling and young Chasha, the track about Inhlupheko. This track Inhlupheko, man, if you corner, I see, when it comes to that, man, and then I like that track. Actually, when it comes to ingoma le reality Inhlupheko, bo ekhaya, tininje ingoma lengase bo ugogo, ingoma le yakhawo, so that's where you sound yakhe ngathi
ngilava ngathi kakhulu khona yabo ngala hip hop ngathi ugcina ukuthi makashaya imali eningi.
That was a hit yakhe le ngikhumbulako we let's strictly hip hop ngikhumbula toze ithathe like izathatha song of the year. Just imagine ingoma leyathatha song of the year ngaphandle kwema piano kwaito and that's not the one.
Asati mhlambe ukuthi sebambembe kakhulu ngaleni hayi ngala hip hop sebambambe ngale ke maskandi.
Mara one thing for sure let me simbonge ngayo because there was the time where hip hop was down. I understand. I release that diss track. Not the release. It was I don't know 100 bars.
150 bars, 100
150 bars and 100. I don't know what's in the so Even after le ngoma leyo ne after le 150 bars nengoma lo wayi release featuring STC nalenye out ya I don't know mara ya Africa. It was we run something like that. Azange aba understand after I qeda droppa yona le 100 bars wa droppa le ngoma le, it was sort of like ngazi vele bekafuna kuyiphusha but azange aba that big. Yabona.
Yeah, yona yena uyizamile ukuphakamisa hip hop but somani sikhulume lesikhuluma because you got lot to say as a human being.
Ma artists lamaningi beyasa konchile and then remember nabo Echo nabo KO after that ba release abo Masete babuya bona bo Duncan mazama kubuya bo Questa yabona onke lamajidela beka mention. And to my point of view labanye bacathi hip hop it's all about fighting. Yeah, now if I mention abantu laba inspire laba buke kuba ma icon we hip hop amangathi sanimajida waya ngasiseka phansi yabo. So after that waba ngilo and then labanye till today solo basalo yena na Duncan.
Yeah, bona they it's another beef.
I paid yena na Duncan because
too personal.
Duncan has been like posting after the 21 question. Posting negative things I paid Duncan 5 minutes akaphela uthi ayangikhona ukulala nganele ngivile hayi nini yabona uyaloko busy post nje but the verse the 21 question
I don't Duncan too personal really out left man.
Yeah what ibona tase Durban so because lenye bengicatha ngiyiphele ngiyona legcine let's say 21 question.
Bathanda amasiqabana kanye it's not all about that, it's all about to understand one another kuhloniphana yabo. So la kule game vele it's all about respecting one another yabo because now you have out ikanda takhe bathi urobha abantu ikuzulu ngimkabe seDubai ngani bathi beka umrobha bazi KO beka bazi warepa ngayo ngani lapha.
No amara to be honest lapho wasibeka story sakhe savakala intaba yaseDubai beyi-under ambitious. You understand and yena imali bekayifuneka ukuthi baniketwe yi-ambitious. Yeah yena ma royalties and ma rights bekaniketwa yi-ambitious ezino ambitious vele idume ngaloko yabo. So wabonglo what khulumela yona ukuthi wasn't the one who supposed to kuneta amchita imali because beka under recording company meaning imali ngifaka to account asikhuluma sedeni yabona. So walibeka isite lakhe but mina ngibona amchita la grand because ngibona ma artist akhe labo Cola bo Lwandlunkulu bonke nje la kuma Nkabi Records baba successful banetimoto and what's not yabo. Ngibona amchita sharp side in lam yabona personality yakhe simbeke beside the music and hip hop and beef yabo. Umchita lo sharp.
Like I think nema comment lapho bengathi singa check usibone usiba comments bathini bani
ngelverse lakhe ne
verse lakhe because
ma comment maningi maningi comment. So wena ngosingawe after ulalele verse.
No mina I don't have
as much as isidlana background la
mina I don't have anything to say because uyabona uyakhuluma ngawe ukuthi bantu bebafisa vele ukuthi kuhlale kune beef kubo babili.
But lapho but okay to
bathanda bona basiqabana ngani.
Exactly yabo. So
ngiyalo abantu bafunana yabo. So vele abantu bangebantu bafunana vele people they always got something to say.
Okay asicale la kuleli chorus.
Okay athina ama lyrics aleli chorus. What is the chorus athini mase kulesa chorus ithi angibuzi imibuzo eminingi thini man chorus. I think ungacheck lapho uthi chorus ithini lapho ngene kulona angokona kuchecka kulo ukuthi ithini chorus lakhe straight like nama lyrics labhaliwe like Google mhlawumbe ngiloto direct ukuthi khamba nje
ithini
babuza imibuzo bathanda masicabana ivaleni idlala emakasana
usho ukhuluma ngelverse wena sikhuluma but the chorus
le chorus ngani lalona ngani
MT yeah, so
oh mina ngikhuluma ngelivesi
nasi into dlala nakuyiwani imibuzo bayangizonda kodwa ngebenze benze lutho bengingedwa kule meke bengikuyo awubangene ntwana yami shona kuthi bangibuza amabuzo abaningi bangangizonda kodwa ngeke bengenze lutho bengiyiwani kule nhlupheko lengiphuma kuyo bangene ntwana yami yabona abazazi bafunani yabona so
yeah, that's a nice though.
yeah,
That's a
so
nice chorus.
that by like chorus lelo mina I feel like ngathi my opinion ngifila ngathi mina le chorus MT walibhala kudzala mayelana ne diss track yale come on like it's my opinion yabona angifila ngathi njalo but because
about the tattoo yakhe
yeah bengingedwa because beka yedwa safara ku fall down ambitious yabona so people njengoba bathi bambuta we imoto tekuphi yabona ngifila ngasibeka indlela ebhale kudzala to respond le diss track but anyway it comes up with a good track yabo let's leave the behind the scene
that's so very verse like and I will see masiva le chorus alishaya so the verse like loba hit kakhulu
I think so but I think maybe angeke kube ne verse like I don't know so we're going to talk about it on the next episode now sekuphume the full track yabo because nyalo sikhuluma ngelverse lokucala the way people bakhuluma ngalo ukuthi linjani na Big Zulu naye ngale way angena ngakhona kimi ungena ngathi as if like ngathi akusuke wacala ibeef yakhe na MT ngathi abantu basithanza masicabane ekubeni nguwe wacala wa understand wayisusa and then MT was cooled down actually udrop it 2 ma distract so abala abe MT understand
mara MT muzazanga aphendule ever since ngingoma
akazwa phendula
ngengoma iphendula yena
nje Instagram la bathe ngasingaphendula uzoshaya futhi yabona
aphendula ebona ukhuluma ngale yilo
yeah time asa into do malini ma zolo nyana so vele lapho beka yeah yabo so about let's jump to the best buka ama comment so nami kusinga the way expect ngakhona I don't know maybe expect ukuvela to rap but ungene nge-style esinye nayo wafaka imelody yakhe yabo
yeah phela bande mazini bakubuke recycle one people you need to be different every time when you show up to people
yabona abanye njengoba basho basi umsangano lo yabona sela abanye basi never change voice before inside verse bro Java write this verse labanye bacathi maybe ubhale ngusijava but apha le video sambona ukuthi use studio ubhala le verse yabona so there's so much labaningi vele actually I can say ukuthi mina labaningi ba feel like ngathi akabani kangade something le babufuna yona yabona labanye basola ngathi ngalo ngalo ukuthi ungene wacula yabona ufuna maybe
ufuna rap
and then also ebuka maybe nale beat nayo it's kind of like
yeah I see hip hop kakhulu hip hop kakhulu angathi mina ngiyathi ngoba mina kusumuntu we hip hop but I feel ukuthi yona sing that hip hop noma icala ivotha isiyo it's a cool jam but yabo ayitsingle rap kakhulu le beats le ngakho
yona vele ngoba le ngoma isurprise abantu abaningi kule thought kuzange kuzokuneke lo and actually something labangaka announce angikhumbuli bay announce ukuthi we working on a track with MT and stuff yabo it's just song esibone nje
yabona MT njoba sisho ukuthi lapha kulelo ne LT ngabe be something lo songa kuyishilo lesisuke nje out of the blue
yabona so I don't know who takes who what takes the dog yes and
something but I think lo muntu omzala utext lo mfana wathi indoda intwana let's change the game so bantu basibuye so kahle siyijike siyivete sona
yeah to me like expect from MT ngibona ngathi there's lot loku change lo mshita because uyona le podcast le LT lo khona la angithi this guy nothabeka sejele in case yakhe na KO yabo khona la yakhuluma khona MT wathi shit phumile lenja hayi man kunye ngabe ifelele inini yabo so apparently after that wa Insta live wacolisa wathi say hayi man they didn't mean ukuthi mshita ngabe inini yabo so kulamala ngibona ngathi uzama ku right ama wrongs wakhe so
yeah no right mawutibonile lokho wrong vele uyaqolisa because awuhlali right yabo because you know sometimes if the camera sometimes we ask you another question we respond somehow yabo we solve sekulate and say take you leyo video leyo
yabo exactly beka nok insult ama fans wakhe kuma Instagram abathuka ngabomsuni kanyo yabona nje some stuff like that
that guy shaya ama video lona ipenis yakhe
yabona so
shaya video ashaya mfati yabona so but uyambona ecolisa ukuthi into eningi ucolisile yeah into eningi ucolisile but I think ngathokuye back ngibona ngathi khona lapha ngathi uthenga i-class nyalo kunjani khona la ngibona ngathi i-class ayikhomba
yeah
I don't know pero umuntu ngathi ube na 7 ma car accident
exactly
yeah 7 uzayaphuma limelo
and phela after naphezulu ceza kuthola car accident ibonile
yeah le
BM so after lapho ngilaba phuma le track land and then okay it's growing up I guess it's growing up isibona ukuthi isikhathi basincane esiselena so which is something le bengifisa singabe yendeke uCasper Nakeyena aka before shona lo mjide
yabona lapha
because now it's been a long
journey
and then bese ngasa understanding ukuthi what this for at the end because eqaleni it was like ngathi bekubonakala ngathi bekuyinto yokuthi yabona for fame for selling ozinjanjani as much as comes to Nasty C and Aries they still have that thing beef sometimes sebanayo but it-create abantu you understand because if nyalo ngaposta something nga Nasty C let's Nasty C keep ingoma le so someone you comment athi ngeke Aries okay so creator abantu because bebasakhula bakhipha my track the same age yabona lo wavumbwa nge Juice Black ngalo nasavumba Ambitious so it was part of ukuthengiso but it's real and then because Nasty C was like ukuthi babe together nemjida khona bashaya i-Ivy Santo Ivy Santo wazama ukuthi amjida ukuthi abe part of le toll kunabo MT nan mind mina ngimle ngihostako but wena so tshela mina uzofuna kugcina wena perform ngene kanjani this thing le uyafika Aries angifika late ngicela kugcina mina perform come on dog I'm the one who's supposed to close the show ngibe ne long hours yabo so
azange add
to mina ngibona ngathi lo solo analyze ego it's Aries yeah so
ifame nebantu malona malight ayatsakwana
yeah so ngisho ukuthi ayisibonge but this one so emakhaya sisikhulumela okuningi but you know this episode is about the 21 question iverse ka Big Zulu lasalikhiphe leli one samele lelinye so I don't know actually it's not about us sikhuluma it's about ukuthi siyipush nawe lapha emakhaya comment about the verse la Big Zulu yabona nami
you saw about chorus la ilona ukuthi balithanda
yeah chorus dope sibabona ngathi wona le ngoma nini yabona so that's why maybe people they were waiting for Big Zulu sangene ngama bars and stuff but lokho lamalanga akusathengiswa
manje uyibuke ukuthi i-marketing akuphi uyangala i-marketing akho
so na Big Zulu I think maybe say une experience lengcono ukuthi sana have to see yabona lo
yena sona isikhathi segaming so uyibona ukuthi ngani mvuyana isijava ukhiphe like a gospel song EP
and nalenye ingoma futhi le ngifisa ngathi ngabo uyipusha more Big Zulu acetha uyikhipha nyalo feature Tony Diamond yabona okay we promoted ku TikTok before iphuma promote albums like but nyalo seyiphumile MP3 but it's another thing ngibona ngathi my artists jump into another project okay it's fine we'll span at the albums working on album khulumile igama le album ngikhohliwe lapha ushito is no album khulumile manje ngikhohliwe so this track nalo ngishona le feature Tony Diamond is a young kid from Durban that sounds like grow up uphanyalo bana bo Simamani.
Okay.
Yeah, so mantwana la acedza kushama kunama bukunyalo December wo release i-album yakhe naye as much as intwana le Simamani he receive a good loan ku-industry, so that is why and I want to kind of share it maybe it's a nice song, but I'm feeling I promote to that level. Yeah, so I feel like ngathi la ngathi uzama ukufeature labafana as much as KO, because KO is the only dude lokhona ukufeature those new kids but blow up as much as feature this track is Let Me Cook feature Maclera the boy. Yeah, it's a nice song obuya feature yena uSimamani. Yakhona kupusha yakhona kubuka liso sisani nyalo. I have to pick up this boy as much as Ricky bekasho say listen to the young ones, don't ignore the young ones. So
no, to wrap it up,
say to my followers, my fans, as much as not suspect them opinion it's abantu abaningi actually bayibonile le kuma social media and babonile nebani ukuthi ba respond bathini, so we do this episode just ukuthi sinike nabo platform ukuthi bakhulume about the verse Nkabi record as much as afakele one we wanna bounce back naseyiphelele ingoma sive ukuthi lase MP3 iphelele yabona kwenzakalani, because as much as we know ukuthi lenye ingoma ibostwa i-visual nasekune music video, that's where people bacala ukuthatha serious and then ba engage kuyo, but konyalo vanile abantu bafile abanye baze base hey kusingadlali le chorus forever.
And what nyalo kuba nenhlanhla because ne TikTok fast ingoma
fast so na Big Zulu njengoba shita stove la i-open verse yale ngoma Nkabi record, so bantu bato khona drop ama-verse abo abone ukuthi okay ngifuna expect into le song kimi yabo, as much as nami ngibona ukuthi no if ngafaka into le song then you relate, because sometimes sinema-rappers nokucabangela thina hip hop fans kuphela, but ukhoshe ukuthi there's a global as a whole Mzansi wonke kunemuntu omdala ufuna relate kule ngoma yakho, but as much as we rap more and then lapha ngafika ngalapho, so njengoba Big Zulu naye ayikhulumane kule game sekabonile beka-rapper naye rap to rap but yabona yonke le sound is much actually. Do you know ukuthi Venus Java beka ngomrap? Yeah, Java bo Black Diamond. Yeah, so many man ezizibona labo man youngster beka ngomrap bo Setrill bo Daliwa, all those guys beba engage to rap. Yabo, so babona say lesi sikhathi le queue yithi yabona to ATM bebadzinga na someone toba uSjava as much Java wafika ne-album yakhe lokuqala, and then it changed a lot. Yabona ngamfaka to hip hop nyalo it kills a lot of rappers now ngamfaka to hip hop yabona because lento ikuwe but ngoba vele so switch it to a sound so bona so no let's say iyashota le sound there.
Angeke ucetha because yabona ama-rappers abongale bo-state sekaphumile futhi kuma-rap music seka-acting ngamanye ama-business yabona so nabo tothi labo babuke ukuthi baphuma kancane ngalapha rap bangene kulenye yabona
na MT khona bambute khona ngale intwana abathi K-Kid to le podcaster ethile bathi what you think about K-Kid is a dope kid khona lapha to what do they call it Scooter Baba. Khona lomfana pha Scooter Baba
remix.
Yeah, ulandzela Casper lapha, so bambuta ngale ntwana le said uyarapha lomfana too much, washo MT was no urapha kahle but he needs to
too much.
Yeah, it's too much. It needs to be too much because there's no money to back what you call it. Yeah, but all you can say is wow. Bese ubiyela emkhukhwini yakho odlela liphalishi lakho ne-tin stuff yabo, because that's what look at lo Sizwe Alkhani.
Yeah, ngiyambona
Sizwe Alkhani. Ngisizo Alakan bekangireason
Awangirezi.
as a rapper and he's been rapping for years but lo bantu bangamali bekathiwa ngithi ma hip hop followers but wachinja bangisizo Alakan wazama kuswitcha to piano nyalo akutshela sekusengigiga every weekend
Yeah.
I'm making money
Good,
yabo
And he's the one wokubhalela lona futhi
amapholisa yeah basunguye ghostwriter yamapholisa niyabona i-pen game yakhe yeah so nami opinion yami ngema-artist afila ngathi esena angifuni kusuka ku-rap ngifuna kuba loyal to the rap no come on man
we need money.
you need money man
It's not i-rap is only ngakunikeza
i-rap
imali.
yase-america but uwalikusomile sound yala South Africa ngeke uthole ama-gig every weekend ekubeni lo uyarapha too manje ekasi yabona and then ufuna wona ukuperforma thinkenzabo chucks and then people wanna dance must
Yeah,
have those
abantu bafuna kujayiva.
2-3 songs lo khona usinemnomdzala abanye ba-indie nje yes ungarap yabona yeah but hey you need to switch
Yeah,
so 21 question
imibuzo bafowethu. Hayi no seyivala.
21 question yeah
Seyivala. Guys, like, share, please subscribe.
yeah that's more important subscribe bafethu subscribe
Yeah,
bafethu
check having a page in YouTube asikhulume. It's the page on Facebook asikhulume podcast.
Yeah.
So like ungakhomenta ungasitshela uzona njani. Ofuna nawe ukutelengenanga now you got something to say, come, you're welcome.
Exactly.
If you wanna be an editor for us, come and edit. If you wanna shoot like if you wanna be part and parcel yale lona zama creator, you more than welcome.
More than welcome. Even though you feel like you can something on sponsor ngayo.
Yeah,
Now we're not clothing label. Give us
Yeah, we can promote it, yeah.
and don't forget to subscribe Manola Tunes because as we somehow there's bonus pins as first time Manola Tunes is push na as much kwanyalo sapusha asikhulume wo.
Push everything.
So everything everywhere.
2025.
Satofia kuma gig interview ma artist so kube mnandi kube nje yeah.
I talk. Seyivala.
Bo basivale mfana
Ayivala.
mfana